What's up guys, Aaron back in the garage, Ferrari F430 here. Today I just wanted to cover how to check the coolant level. Expansion tank back there, so in order to open that, of course you just pull right here. We lift up here, and you want to do this with the engine cold. Do not do this while it's hot. Here is where your coolant goes. So we're just going to unscrew this guy. Lots of unscrewing, and we're gonna see some nice green coolant in there. So I got the workshop manual here, and it says that it should be about 40 millimeters from the top of the filler neck. And then you screw the cap on tightly. Here it shows some marks on the level, but of course this is a metal container, so you can't just see the level like you can in most vehicles. So you gotta eyeball it or stick something in there to measure it. So I think most people probably just go with the eyeball method, make sure there's about that much in there. So there you have it. Now you know how to check the coolant level on a Ferrari F430. Just gonna reattach him nice and snugly. That's it guys, please give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We're gonna see all kinds of cool Ferrari F430 content on the channel now that I own one of these things. So looking forward to it. See you guys on the next one.